The Indian Ocean has become a focal point of geopolitical tension, a vast expanse of water that's not just a trade route, but a strategic battleground. With the U.S. military ramping up its presence in this region, we're witnessing a significant shift in the balance of power. Stealth bombers and aircraft carriers are now regular visitors, and their deployments are sending ripples through global diplomacy. Why the Indian Ocean, you might ask? It's simple. This body of water is crucial for international trade, with over 80% of the world's maritime trade passing through it. The shipping lanes here are lifelines for economies around the globe. When you consider that countries like China and India are also vying for influence, the stakes are incredibly high. The U.S. military buildup isn't just about showcasing power, it's about ensuring that these vital trade routes remain open and secure. The presence of stealth bombers, for instance, isn't merely a show of force. These aircraft symbolize advanced military capability and deterrence. They can reach targets quickly and with precision, which is a clear message to any nation that might consider disrupting trade or challenging U.S. interests in the region. This kind of military readiness is designed to reassure allies and deter adversaries, but it also escalates tensions. Countries like China view this buildup as a direct threat, prompting them to bolster their own military capabilities, which could lead to an arms race in the region. Aircraft carriers, often referred to as floating cities, play a pivotal role in this dynamic. They project power and serve as a base for air operations, allowing the U.S. to respond swiftly to any crisis. The deployment of these carriers is a strategic move, signaling to both allies and adversaries that the U.S. is committed to maintaining stability in the Indian Ocean. However, this commitment comes with risks. Increased military presence can lead to miscalculations or accidents, which could spiral into larger conflicts. Moreover, the implications for global trade are profound. A conflict in the Indian Ocean could disrupt shipping routes, leading to skyrocketing costs and delays in the supply chain. This is particularly concerning in a world still recovering from the economic impacts of the pandemic. Nations are interdependent, and any disruption in trade could have cascading effects on economies worldwide. Diplomatically, the U.S. is walking a tightrope. On one hand, it must reassure allies like India and Australia, who are increasingly wary of China's assertiveness. On the other hand, it must manage relations with China, a key player in global trade. The challenge lies in balancing military readiness with diplomatic engagement. The U.S. must navigate these waters carefully, ensuring that its actions do not provoke unnecessary hostility while still standing firm on its commitments. In conclusion, the U.S. military buildup in the Indian Ocean is a complex interplay of power, trade, and diplomacy. It's a reminder that in today's interconnected world, military actions have far-reaching consequences that extend well beyond the battlefield. As we continue to monitor this situation, it's clear that the Indian Ocean will remain a critical theater in the unfolding drama of global geopolitics.